Hello students, good morning one and all. I welcome you to the part 11 of this chapter, that is pair of linear equations in two variables. So almost we are about to complete today the graph related problems, and yesterday I have given an assignment related to solve a graphical solution. I think only one student has sent the solution. Who is that? I will tell you in the interactive session. Okay, so that's very good. One student, at least one student, has done the graphical solution and sent. So that is really highly appreciable. My heartfelt congratulations to her. Okay, on behalf of all of you, because at least she has done. If you have done, you can send today also. You have time. Okay, right. So I think the last problem which we discussed yesterday was something about 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost 50, and another 7 pencils and 5 pens together cost 46. Find the cost of one pencil and that of pen. I think answer will be pencil will be rupees 3, I guess, because we have taken rupees x, correct? So this is rupees 3. Then pen we have taken as rupees y, so it might be rupees 5. I hope everyone have got this answer. Is it correct? Rupees 3 for pencil and rupees 5 for pen. So when you draw the graph, and as yesterday itself, there was a common point 3,5, 3,5 for both the equations. So 100% answer would be this. So at least anyone got this. If not graph, at least you could have solved by elimination method. So whether everyone got this solution? Yes or no? Any response? Nobody has done, I guess. Fine, let it be. The answer is rupees 3 and rupees 5. You can cross check. Okay, now we are getting yes, sir. So that's good. So at least you have tried it. Fine. Now coming to first exercise, the three graphical solutions. Exercise 3.1. See, in this question they said just represent the situation algebraically and graphically. Okay, so when you represent graphically, no doubt, as we have done the last two problems, through the graph, if the two lines are intersecting, then 100% I can get the value of x and y. So first let us see one by one and complete this 3.1 exercise today. Aftab tells his daughter 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also, 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. So there are two parameters now here. One is Aftab and one is Aftab's daughter. I don't know what is the age of Aftab and daughter. One extra thing they may ask, find the age of Aftab and Aftab's daughter. So what we can assume, let x be the age of Aftab and y be the age of Aftab's daughter. So coming to the first solution, exercise number 3.1, first problem. Let Aftab age be, x years, okay, and Aftab's daughter age, be y years. So understood what I have taken first, everyone? What might be Aftab's age, Aftab and Aftab's daughter age? 7 years ago means what I have to do? Okay, means before 7 years. So first here comes like 7 years ago. If x was present age of Aftab, what would be Aftab age 7 years ago? Anyone? -7. Not only -7, Anjali. Not only -7. There should be something. I don't know what is Aftab age. What we have assumed? X. X minus 7. Very good. Good. Anjali, Smriti. Excellent. Okay, 7 years ago. Anybody else? Then what would be Aftab's daughter age? Good. Shreya, Vrishab, Shivani. Then what would be Aftab daughter age? X minus 7, yes, absolutely right, Janvi and Shreya. Then what would be Aftab daughter age now? X minus 7 is Aftab age. Then daughter age? X by 7. No. What we have taken? What we have taken Aftab's daughter age? We have taken it as Y. Please understand. This is Y years. Then what would be Aftab daughter age? Aftab age. Think that my age is 29. 7 years ago, my age was 21. My daughter age, something like, think that 10 or something before 7 years. 10 minus 7, 3. Correct? So Y minus 7 would be the right answer. Excellent. Aksha, Shreya, Smriti, Tanishka, Anjali, Naumita, and Rushabh. Good. So 7 years ago, Aftab age will be X minus 7 years. Okay. Then Aftab daughter age. Aftab daughter age would be Y minus 7 years. Now what Aftab was saying is 7 years ago, my dear daughter, my age was 7 times more than your age. 7 years ago, my age was 7 times more than your age. Then according to question, Aftab age will be equal to 7 times of daughter age. Okay, so Aftab age was 7 years ago, X minus 7. 7 times daughter age, Y minus 7. So this would be X minus 7 equal to 7Y minus 7 into 7 are 49. What I will do, X I will keep it as usual. 7Y I will take it to the LHS, minus 7Y is equal to minus 49 plus 7. So equation would be X minus 7Y equal to minus 42. This is equation 1. For my understanding, right here, X minus 7Y equal to minus 42. So this is first equation. Now first part is done. Everyone understood up to this? Aftab age. I am telling my daughter, 7 years ago my age was 7 times as old as you are. Okay, so then how do I represent Aftab age? 7 times more. Okay, 7 times of, sorry, not more, 7 times of daughter age. So 7 into Y minus 7. So up to this, everyone clear? Yes? Now we go for the second condition. What was the second condition? 3 years from now. Means, what do you mean by 3 years from now? After 3 years, 100% my age will increase. Right? Every year, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. Right? So 3 years from now means, after 3 years, okay, again, Aftab age will be X plus 7 years. Okay, Aftab daughter age would be Y plus, sorry, 3, X plus 3, Y plus 3 years. After 3 years, Aftab age will be X plus 3, Aftab daughter age will be Y plus 3. Now what he says, after 3 years, I shall be 3 times as old as you are. Aftab will be 3 times as old as daughter. Okay, so again, this would be X plus 3 equal to 3 into Y plus 3. So now this would be X plus 3 equal to 3Y plus 9. X, again 3Y shifted to LHS, X minus 3Y equal to 9 minus 3. X minus 3Y equal to 6, equation 2. So this is the second equation. For my understanding, X minus 3Y, somewhere I'll write here. First equation was X minus 7Y equal to minus 42. X minus 3Y equal to 6 is the second equation. Fine. So now, second equation, I hope everyone have understood. Is the equation correct? X minus 3Y equal to 6. So these equation 1 and 2 are algebraic equations. Okay, they said represent the situation. Represent under just a equation form order. Okay, so represent the equation. They said, so equation 1 and 2 we have represented. Now what they said next one? Graphically. Can I solve this using algebraic method? Yes, I can apply elimination method. Okay, for this one problem, let me explain you. Let us check what would be their age if I apply elimination method. In exam, if they ask find their age, okay, then apply elimination method. Same question, they will say then what would be their age? If this is the question, then you have to apply elimination because that is the most time saving method. X minus 7y equal to minus 42, x minus 3y equal to 6. This is equation 1 and 2. Right? When you want to apply elimination method, coefficient of x are same, right? So if I change the sign, I can cancel. Again, minus plus will become minus, minus will become plus. Again, plus will become minus. Plus x cancel. Minus 7 plus 3 would be minus 4y is equal to minus 42 minus 48. Correct? Minus 42 minus 6 would be minus 48. Minus minus cancel. Y equal to 48 by 4. 4 ones and 4 12s are 48. Y is 12, means after daughter age is now 12 years. Now where you want to substitute, choice is yours. I'll substitute in equation 2 because equation is very simple. X minus 3 into 12 equal to 6. X minus 12 into 3 how much? 36 equal to 6. X equal to 36 plus 6, 42. Therefore, Aftab age was 42 years and Aftab daughter age is 12 years. So when I solve the graph also, I can get these values 42 as well as 12. This graph is quite interesting. Okay, I will solve the graphical part of this. So at least tell me in exam if they ask such question, find their ages, then you have to apply elimination method because right from third exercise we have such problems, and even those problems I can represent graphically. Okay, so I hope you have understood. Now please fix in your mind, after age is 42, daughter age was 12. So when I draw the graph, I should get these values. Okay, clear everyone? If you want quickly look at to this elimination method, then I will go for the graphical solution. Be ready with the graph sheets. Yes, shall I proceed? Okay, right. So now again for graphical solution, I need these equations. What is the equation for graphical solution? First one was x minus 7y equal to minus 42. Am I right? Yes. Now again same table. Always two values are enough to join and extend, right? X and y, x0, y0 we have to do. See, when x is 0, first step, when x is 0, you get minus 7y equal to minus 42. Minus minus cancel, 7 ones are 7, 7 6 are 42. So is this correct answer? 0, 6. Check everyone. 1 centimeter equal to 3 units question mark. Rishabh, I will tell you. I will tell you the graph is interesting. My one question to everyone is, I will solve this. Think and tell me. Can I take x-axis scale different and y-axis scale different? Usually what we do, either we take both 1 centimeter equal to some units or 2 centimeter equal to some units. Can I take x-axis, think that 1 centimeter equal to something and even 1 centimeter equal to here something? Can I change x and y axis scale? Think of it and tell me. Okay, till then I will see the points. Okay, right. So now, yes, answer is 0, 6 first one. Next, when y is 0, x minus 0 equal to minus 42. Value of x is minus 42. Okay, so this is the answer. Yes, sir, we can take. Okay. Right. Yes, sir. We can take. Yes, sir. Okay. Then fine. We'll see according to this points now. What should I take? Now, what would be the points here? Therefore, A point is 0, comma 6. Okay. Point B is minus 42, comma 0. Second equation was x minus 3y equal to 6, I guess. Yes. X minus 3y equal to 6. Again, table x and y. X is 0, minus 3y equal to 6. Dear students, 3 ones are 3 twos are minus y equal to 2. Value of y is minus 2. So here it would be minus 2. When y is 0, x value is 6. So now point C and D. Therefore, C is 0, comma minus 2. D is 6, comma 0. Now look at the points of x and y axis. X value is 6 or minus 42, means somewhat multiples of 6. What I will do here, x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 6 years I will take. Okay, because I think we have negative value also, minus 42, right? So what is the maximum positive value? Only 6. So here I have to draw the graph very carefully. And coming to y, there is 6 and minus 2. Okay, so can I take this y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 2 years, x-axis, y-axis? Think of it. Somebody has said, yes sir, 1 centimeter we can take 6. Okay, x-axis, that's what I have done, 1 centimeter equal to 6 years, y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 2 years. So now let us draw the graph based on this. So what would be my x-axis? Multiples of 6 table. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Because remember here, why I am saying this means after age we got 42 years. Okay, means somewhere along x-axis positive, our 42 value will be. Right? That is the point here. So x value should be 42. Then what was daughter's age? It was 12. Andra y-axis, positive y-axis should be 12 or plus 1 plus 2 extra, means negative I can take only up to minus 4. Okay, negative I can take only up to minus 4. But look at this value, x value here is minus 42, means this positive and negative x-axis I should start from minus 42, end with plus 42. Point number 1. Y-axis, negative value I don't want. Maximum is minus 2 here. Minus 4 I can take, but positive y-axis I will take more than 12, means 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 5, 6, 4, 2, 0. This is what I am going to do now in the graph. Only plus 42, sir. Yeah, plus 42 is there, but when I draw the line, my dear, look at this point B. Minus 42, 0 is there, means ನಾನು ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ x axis ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದ ಹೌದಾ so for that purpose I need this minus 42. Y plus 42, sir. Okay, y plus 42. What is after age? You check. Why check after age? What do we get when I applied elimination method? His age was 42 years. Then when I draw the graph, I need that plus 42. Andral intersect at the point. Two lines get intersect each other such a way that x value will be 42, y value. Here it is somewhat roughly I will tell you. Then you will get an idea. Somewhere in this way, the graph might be. Think that. So this particular points are there, no? So this is x value, this is y value. This is after age. It should be 42 and y was daughter's age. Adi ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಕು 12. Now understood? Now understood y positive 42 and y plus 42. Clear? That's why I have done elimination method. Ee method ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂತೆ. Concept is more important here. We should be very much fast in framing the algebraic equations because MCQ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ systematic ಮಾಡಬಾರದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ I am telling you an idea. For one problem I have taken almost 20 minutes. Why? Understand, in one question a lot of concepts can be framed. Please try to understand. Any doubts, ask me. Equations you should form within a fraction of seconds. After bunde is to daughter 7 times ಆಯ್ತು. Write the equation there only. 7 years ago means x minus 7, y minus 7. 3 years from now, x plus 3, x plus y plus 3. But condition ಆಗಬೇಕು, equation frame ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. This is how you have to do. And to get whether the values, elimination method is the most easiest way, and we'll get the solution very quickly. Then when you come to graph, you must be able to understand how to adjust the axis. 1 centimeter scaling factor is more important. I hope I am clear to everyone. So now, without wasting much time, let me draw the graph. Better I utilize almost this entire part. For my reference, I write the points here. A 0,6, B is minus 42,0, C is 0,-2, point D is 6,0. So we'll not waste much time now. Let us complete this graph. Okay. So now, as I said, minus 42 plus 42, x-axis, y-axis, somewhat I will take here. 1 extra, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, this is origin, minus 2, minus 4, this is y dash, this is y-axis. Origin I have to draw, I will take here more. Right? What did I say? X-axis multiples of 6, right? 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 1 extra, 48. This is x-axis. Then minus 6, minus 12, minus 18, minus 24, minus 30, minus 36, minus 42. Enough. This is x dash. Mattade. Once again, I'm telling, if I come to textbook, they said only represent the situation graphically. But exam na concept based question, higher order thinking skill, lower order thinking skill, right? These type of questions are there. Sir, what if they ask to find age and all graphically? Avaga I must know how to draw the graph. According to the question, look at how the graph will be. What was point A 0,6 here? Point A, I will use different color. Point A is 0,6. Okay. Point B is minus 42,0. This is point B. Now I will join A and B. So this was first line. Second now, C point 0,-2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ C point 0,-2. Then this is origin. Okay. Then D point 6,0 somewhere here. So graph would be somewhat in this way. Mugit. But A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Then they should intersect somewhere. What we did yesterday? What did we do yesterday? We what? Tell me. ನೀನೇನೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ we had done something. What is that? Tell me quickly. According to question, ಮುಗಿತು ಇಷ್ಟೇ graph. Extend. Yes, sir, extend the lines. Shall we do now? Yes. Immediately try to extend the lines. Try to extend the lines. So even I will try to extend. Meanwhile, everyone, please extend these lines. See, somewhere it is going. Somewhere, right? 1 second. Yes. Somewhere it is extending here for me. Okay, because the lines So try it and check these two lines when you extend. These two lines when you extend, okay, when you extend these two lines, somewhere they intersect each other at certain point. Okay, and that point would give you x and y axis. Try this and please, at least I need minimum one student from each section. 8 sections, 8 students should send me this graph with the solution. Okay, fine. So almost this one problem has took this entire class. Why? Because see, I am not in a hurry to complete the problems. I want you to understand the concept. Why? Because e concept now MCQs ಕೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. The way of framing the MCQ questions, case study questions, it all depends on this. See, one, the NCERT textbook will give you a lot of concepts. Forget about reference book. Reference book is there to refer and solve, but textbook na content there is so much. We never practice NCERT textbook questions. There is NCERT exemplar, wonderful book. Try it, understand the concept ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ we can solve n number of problems. Without knowing concept, and solving 100 of MCQ questions is waste. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, see, though it is a pandemic, the way of framing the question is MCQ, but don't you think this MCQ preparation is like a practice session for you for your future PUC NEET and JEE? ಈ ರೀತಿ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಲ್ಲ? Am I right or no? What it is more than 42? Somewhat you may get 42.2. Scale better on long scale ತಗೋರಿ, extend ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Try to extend and check. 42.2 ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲವರು ಏನು ಬರೀತಾರೆ, ಸರ್ the age is 42 years 2 months. ಡಾಟರ್ ಏಜ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗಬಹುದು 12.8, 12.6, 12 years 6 months. ಆ ರೀತಿ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಫೈನ್, ಬಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಟ್ಲಿ. 42.2 means 42 years, 12.2 means 12, 12.6 you can take 13 years, plus or minus 1 year may happen. Okay, try that. I hope I'm clear. So try to understand the concepts now only. This 10th standard is like a practice match for you for your World Cup. That World Cup is your NEET and JEE. The more you understand the concept, the more you can answer the questions. This is what that is why I took almost one problem half an hour. Lot of concepts we covered here, axis, points. One day problem ya reeti ella different methods we can solve. Okay, am I clear to everyone? Please, I want to know whether I am clear. Did I confuse you? Please tell me, then we'll wind up the session. Remaining problems we'll see in from 10 to 10:30. I hope I have not confused you, right? So the concepts are clear, I guess. Fine, do the graphical part. At least one student from each sections I request you to send. If not also, no worries, thank you for whatever it is, but I want a healthy solutions from your side. Okay, that communication should be there. Okay, fine, thank you one and all. See you in the next class.